Are you looking for a way to make your demo videos more professional and efficient? Today, I am excited to introduce an amazing screen recording tool, FocuSee. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to create screen recordings with automatic zoom-in effects. Let's get started. Launch FocuSee on your computer. You will see the video creation interface. Select your webcam, microphone, and speaker settings. FocuSee provides 3 screen recording modes: full screen, customized area, or specific window. Click on the respective icon based on your recording needs. If you choose to record a customized region or a particular window after clicking on the icon, please drag a desired area or choose a specific window for recording. Then you can change the camera, microphone, and system audio settings. Click the red Rec button to start. A 3-second countdown begins. Now you can begin your presentation at your own pace. At the bottom of the screen, a toolbar will be displayed. You can delete, resume, pause, or end the recording. Once the recording is complete, the video will automatically include zoom effects. You can further edit the video by cutting, adjusting playback speed, and highlighting specific areas. Or add backgrounds or effects. After editing, export the video in MP4 or GIF format. You can also set the video output parameters such as resolution, frame rate, video name, and save path as needed.